Hello guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are going to be playing Run, Hide, Escape, and I have never played this before, but I've seen some other YouTubers do it, and I'm like, yes, I'm gonna have to do it. Open Roblox, please. No ad, I don't want you. Yes, okay. I don't like when I'm it. I don't like the view. Like, I've seen YouTubers play it, and I don't like the view. I don't like the view. Oh, it's update. It's upgrading. Why are you upgrading? I don't want you to upgrade. Ugh. So, anyway. Can I put you down? Okay, good. Roblox. Okay, it's still upgrading, I guess. Well, anyway, this is so boring when it upgrades. When it's upgrading, I can't even speak English. Well, I can, just that sometimes I don't know. Do you like dragons, wolf cats? For you. I don't want to be in another group. I've been in so many. I've been in the Harry Potter one because I like Harry Potter. And then oh, yes, yay. I'm sorry, guys. If you guys can't see the whole entire screen, I'm so sorry. But yeah, so anyway, let's get our XE. Oh, it's an XE! I love XEs. Have you seen Little Carly and Little Kelly? Well, they're like one of you. Okay, I'll accept you. There's a game starting. I've seen people do this. You guys, I found something. Someone else has. It's really cool. Just wait. I think it's over here. Yes. Yes. Well. Anyway, let's get on into this game. I want to get in. Well, can I like go behind here or something? Can I? Well, let's get back up here and okay. I can't. No. You have to get in there. Okay, there we go. Like, the view is like this. But I don't know about the view. I like the details and stuff. I just don't know about the view. That's the only thing that I don't know about. I don't like the view whenever I'm it. Haha! I'm onto the top. Didn't get jumped. Oh, hey, you guys, hey. Anyway, I'm just gonna go in here because it looks like so much fun. So much fun. Oh my gosh. No. You are not gonna get me. You are not gonna get to me. No, I almost fell. Does it like teleport you back or something? Unicorn! Unicorn? You want to be my friend? Well, I'll be your friend. I can't do that on here. Okay, I want the game to start. It says game starting, but this. I'm gonna try it like this. See if I fall. I was just sitting there. So basically, I fell because. You guys, you wanna do this with me? Oh, she's doing it too. Hey, you wanna be my friend, unicorn? Or what's your name? No. Hey! Oh, hey, ouch. That was rude. That was rude. She got. Oh, I love when this happens. I love when they just like do that. Woo, 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 woo. This is so fun! I don't, what are you wearing anyway? No, I just jumped right in. What did I do there? What did I do there, Mom? What did I do there? Oh, you guys ain't seen nothing yet. When is the game gonna start? When is the game going to start? Jeffrey, me, and Alka Boy, I don't know how to pronounce Jack. Can I? Oh, I can see every single ice cube. Hey, ice cube, bye. Yeah. You guys want to go see something? You guys want to come here? You want to see something? Oh, I thought I couldn't get out for a second. It keeps teleporting me back. Did you guys see that? Well, anyway, can someone leave? No, I'm not leaving. Alka, Lan, boy, bod, or I don't know. I don't know. Let's see this. Okay, that's a little bit. That's nothing. Ah! Took me so long to get back up there. But anyway, keep bumping into things. I'm tired, actually. I'm pretty tired. What was that? Did you guys see? Accept your apology. I'll accept your apology. New friend. I have a new friend now. I have so many friends. Well, no, not many, because people have comments, they say I make the worst videos ever. And that makes me sad, you guys, but, yeah, it makes me sad. Really sad. Why? Whoever does it, can you please stop? I forgot his name because I haven't checked the comments in a long time. Hey, McDoodle. I've seen a video that, oh, you're Jeffrey, Hubbard, what is it? I don't care. Hey, Bacon Head. People call them Bacon Head boys. I thought that was rude. Let's see. I'm gonna go to the shop. No, go back. Inventory. I want hammers. This one's. These are both defaults. Okay, go back into the shop. I want to get one. Oh, this is where you get them. Oh, yeah, I want to get one. Is there one that I love? That people... I want to get one. Back. Red Squeaky. I want the red Squeaky. Did I get it? Did I get it? No, I didn't get a red Squeaky. Will you be my friend? How do people get friends on here? Okay, I'm not asking that question. Yeah, that's why. I want to be a VIP. Wait, this is why the game hasn't started. Oh, there's 51. 51 versus 51. Can you please just start the game? Can you? What if I land on different one? It'll be 50. And the other ones have like 55. Everyone bring back one. I'm like, ha ha ha. I am the one. I am the one. Whenever it's ours cold. I'm like up there. I'm gonna see if I can get on the roof. That'll be hilarious. If I get on the roof. No, I can't get up. Can you help me? Get up. Hey, can you help me, buddy? Buddy, I'll be your friend. Hey, buddy, I need help. I'm trying to get up here. Wait, can I just... Hey, can you get down below? Can you get down here? Buddy, come on. Ugh, you never listen to me. Let's see if I can beat him. Yes. There's 50. It has to be 52. 52. Okay, good. No, 52. There's 9. Ha ha ha. We're beating by 100. Okay. Frappuccino. Ugh. Is this ever going to start? Dude. Ugh. Mwah, who cares? Bleh. I don't like kissing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, just that I don't, just don't like it. Wait, is that what I think it is? So it's a different black hole? That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. Wait, can I get up here? There's 51, there's 12, there's 8. I liked this one better. Wait. Beep. Beep. 13. Well, I don't think so. I think it's 51. That's what I think. Go vote, Jeffrey. What people want me? Rich. Who's this Rich? He's gotten 6 and I've gotten 2. PC Shift is yes. E Internet Swing. What's swing? Is it swing? Swing? I don't know. Is it swing? I don't know these controls. Okay. Don't judge me. What? I know a little bit. I don't know this stuff. Can someone leave? Well, you left, so yeah. Hey.